We've all had times when we really want to sleep well. The night before an interview, the day after a night shift, or pretty much any time we're really tired and desperate to catch up. Frustratingly, these are often the times when we most struggle with sleep. Why? Well, sleep is a passive process. Putting in more effort is completely counterproductive. Sleep is most likely to find you when the conditions are right, think dark, cool and quiet, and when you're feeling safe, relaxed and comfortable. So next time you find yourself trying hard to sleep, experiment with doing the opposite. Try and stay awake. I'm serious. Open your eyes and focus your attention at a spot on the wall. Tell yourself that you're warm and comfortable in your bed. If your body needed to sleep, it would sleep. You are enjoying being relaxed and calm, gently resting. Keep an eye on that spot on the wall. You are safe and relaxed, lying in your bed with nothing to do. Keep your eyes open, even if they want to close. You are perfectly content, staying awake, resting quietly. If your eyelids start to feel heavy, keep them open for just 1 more minute. And you might find that by lifting the pressure to sleep, sleep will gradually take over.